Hello, Math 7 students. We are going to begin our 11th video, and it is called Multi-Step Ratio Problems, and it can be found on page 28. Multi-step ratio problems. The goal. Today we are learning how to solve multi-step ratio problems. The question that I want you to be thinking about during this lesson is, what is a modeling tool that can help you solve real-world problems? Okay. Some helpful vocabulary. You do need to write this down, and you do need to know these because the problems that we're going to be working on today are using this information, and if you don't understand these terms, it's going to be very hard to answer them. So the first one that I want you to write down is original price, and what that means is that is the cost of an item. Okay. A discount is a rate taken off of the cost. So basically, you're multiplying the original price by the rate, and then you subtract it off. When you subtract it off, you get the discount price, and the discount price is the new smaller price. Markup is the rate added to the cost. So basically, you take the original price and you multiply it by the rate, and then you add it to the cost. The markup price is the new larger price. Tax, something that every store or any place that collects money applies to an amount. Tax is a rate added to the cost. So basically you take the amount of the tax rate and you multiply it by the original price, and then you add it to that price. So the price gets bigger. Commission is the amount earned from sales. And then of means to multiply in math, and you need to know that because we're going to be using that of word in every single problem that we do. Okay, so we're going to practice these and see what you can do. So it says Peter Pan's Palace advertises the following sale. This is what they're taking off. It says if you find shirts, they're half off the price. Pants are a third off of the price. And shoes are a fourth off the price. So basically, if you're buying a shirt, and let's say it costs $10, if you take half of the price off of that, so half of 10 is 5, subtract 5 from 10, and you get 5, so the shirt is $5. Okay? Now let's try it with this one. What would a $40 pair of shoes cost? Okay, so the original price, right? The original price times one, or the discount, right, because it's off, so that makes it a discount, equals the discount price, and then you have to take that discount price, subtract it from the original price, and that gives you what they're being sold for, so the sale price. So there's two things that we have to think about. Okay, so the original price was $40. The discount, we're timesing it by 1/2 because it says 1/2 off, and that's going to give you the discount price, not the sales price, the discount price. So 140 times 1/2 gives you 40 halves, right? And then half of 40 is 20. So we get $20 is the discount price. So if $20 is the discount price, then you take the original price, you subtract the discount price, and that tells you how much the sale price is. So what is the sale price of the shoes? The sale price of the shoes is $20. Okay? Pretty good. All right, let's try the next one. It says, what would a $33 pair of pants cost? Okay, so again, we take the original price times what was pants? Pants was 1/3, so we're doing times the discount. That gives you the discount price. Then you take the original price, subtract the discount price, and that gives you the sale price. Okay, so the original price was $33. The discount is 1/3. So 33 times 1/3 gives you 33/3, which equals 11, right? Because 33 divided by 3 gives you 11. So this would be $11 for the discount. So then you take 33 minus 11, and that gives you $22 for the pair of pants. So this is $20 for the shoes, This is $22 for the pants. Okay? So do you guys understand why we said we had to know those vocabulary words up above? Okay, let's keep going and see what else that we get to practice. So it says car sales. A used car salesperson receives a commission of 1/12 of the sales price of a car. So they don't get the whole amount, they only get 1/12 of it. Okay, what is the commission on a car that sold for $21,999? So for this problem, what I would like to do is it's saying that the commission is only 1/12. So if we take a tape diagram and we divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we know that this whole amount is this much money, right? We know that the commission is only this piece right here, because it says right here in the story that the commission is 1/12. So how do we figure out what goes in each section? Hopefully you remember that from 6th grade. Well, we're going to take 21,999 and we're going to divide it by 12. So we know that 12 can go into 21 one time. So that gives us 9, right? And then we bring down a 9. So we know that 12 can go into 99 8 times, which is 96, right? And that's 3. Bring down another 9. We know that 12 can go into 39 3 times, so that's 36, and that's 3. Bring down the last 9, and we know it can go in there 3 times, which is 6. And then we bring down a 0 so we can figure out the cents. So 12 can go into 30 2 times, which is 24. And 30 minus 24 is 6. Bring down the 0 and 5. So we know that each section is $1,833.25. That goes in each square of your tape. And so $1,833.25 equals the commission. So we figured out the answer to the problem. Okay? Everybody got that? I hope so. Okay, let's keep going. Tax time. How much profit will a store make on the sale of a couch that is marked up by 1/3 and sold with a 1/5 discount when the original price was $2,400? Woo, a markup. So we're marking up by 1/3, so we're making our price more, and then we're discounting some off. So first question, what was the original price? The original price was $2,400. Okay, so it says that the first thing they do is they mark it up by 1/3. So we need a tape diagram that has thirds, right? And we know that this whole thing is 2,400. So if this whole thing is 2,400 and there's 3 sections, how much goes in each section? If you said 800, you're right, because 2,400 divided by 3 is 800. Okay? So we know this is how much it was marked up. So remember, you take the original price plus the markup, and that gives you the new sales price. Okay? So the original price was $2,400 plus the markup price, which was $800, and that gives me $3,200. So this is the new couch. New couch price from the markup. Okay? So now we take that new price, and that becomes our sales price, and we multiply it by a discount, right? Just like we did on the other one, and that gives us our discount price. So we have the new sales price is $3,200 times 1/5, right? So that means that we take 3,200 divided by 5. So we have to do that math over here because I can't do it in my head. 3,200 divided by 5, and I get 6. And that makes 2, so that's 4. And and that's 0. So we now know that the discount price is $640. So we're going to take the sales price minus the discount price, and that's going to be the new sales price. Okay, so we have $3,200, sorry, that was the sales price, $3,200 minus the 640, and that gives us the new. So 3,200 minus the 640, so that is our new sales price. So boys and girls, look, this is how much it cost to sell. How much did it start out? Here. This was the original price. We marked it up by $800 with this. Then we gave a discount, which was only that, and the price of the couch still costs more than the original price. So the moral of the story is markups are crazy. Okay? Especially if a store marks it up and then gives you a discount. Did you save any money at all? The answer is no. Okay, so what you have to remember is anytime you see a store that says discount or a store that says sale, 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 right? What you need to know is that there really is not a sale, because the first thing that they do is they mark it up, then they give you a discount, and you still pay more money than what you would at the beginning. So don't be fooled. Whenever they're saying that things are on sale, they're not really on sale, because they mark them up first, then they give you the discount, and the price that you pay is still more than the original price. I know, it's crazy, but that's how stores make money. All right, last one, I think. I want you to try the last one. It's called Born to Ride. Use your tape diagrams. They're really, really helpful, okay? Check out the last one, and we'll talk about it tomorrow in class. All right, my darlings. Really quick question going back to our question of the lesson. Today we are learning how to solve multi-step ratio problems. We totally did that. What is a modeling tool that can help you solve real-world problems? I'll give you a very, very, very big hint. What is a modeling tool that can be used to help you figure out real-world problems? Hopefully you got my big hint. I'm not going to tell you until tomorrow. All right, I will see you then. Bye.